This question is asked in Transco AE 2012, subject electrical measurements, topic CRO. The two inputs of a CRO are fed with two stationary period signals, that is periodic signals, in the XY mode. The screen shows a figure which changes from ellipse to circle and back to ellipse, with its major axis changing orientation slowly and repeatedly. The following inference can be made from this. Students, simple observation that already you know from the CRO Lissajous patterns. It is changing from circle to, the pattern is changing from circle to ellipse. The pattern is changing from circle to ellipse, again from ellipse to circle, circle to ellipse, and again from ellipse to circle. Like this the pattern is changing. We know that is it a pattern is a circle or is it pattern is ellipse, that depends on the phase difference between the two input signal. Okay, this is the circle and this is the ellipse. If it changing from circle to ellipse, again ellipse to circle, this depends on phase difference between the two input signals. Phase difference between two input signals. Then what are the options, friends? That is, there is a constant but small phase difference between the two signals. That is, option 4 is right answer for this question. Concentrate. Next one. This question is asked in EPDCL 2014, subject measurement, topic CRO. A Lissajous pattern on the oscilloscope has 6 vertical maximum values and 4 horizontal maximum values. The frequency of the horizontal input is 1000 Hz. The frequency of the vertical input is. Students, we know this formula with respect to CRO. If you don't know about this formula, now onwards you have to remember. Very important 5-star gunshot formula. Fi by Fx equal to Nx by Ny. Fi is the vertical input frequency, Fx is the horizontal input frequency, Nx is the number of horizontal touchings or number of horizontal cuttings, Ny equal to number of vertical touchings or number of vertical cuttings, that is Nx by Ny. Fi by Fx equal to Nx by Ny. A Lissajous pattern on the oscilloscope has 6 vertical maximum values, that 6 vertical maximum values and 4 horizontal maximum values. The frequency of horizontal input is 1000 Hz. Then what is Fi equal to, students? Fi equal to 4 by 6 into Fx, that is 2 by 3 into what is Fx, it is given, that is 1000 Hz. Then you have to calculate what is the vertical input frequency, that is 2000 by 3 Hz. 2000 by 3 Hz. Very simple solution, and the formula also very simple, students, that you have to concentrate. That is 2000 by 3 Hz, that is for this question option 4 is the right answer. Let us see the next question. This question is asked in TS Transco 2015, subject measurement, topic CRO. The time based signal in cathode ray oscilloscope, square wave signal, sawtooth signal, triangular wave signal, sinusoidal signal. Yes, it is a sawtooth signal. Sawtooth signal or sweep signal, it is generated by the sweep generator. The sweep signal or sawtooth waveform is the base signal for all the input signal. To drive the unknown signals or to drive any input signal on the CRO screen, then which signal is required? A sweep signal, that is the sawtooth waveform is required. For this question option 2 is the right answer. Let us see the next question. This question is asked in TS SPDCL 2015. The subject is measurement, topic CRO. The Lissajous pattern on the screen of a CRO is an ellipse with major axis in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Then the phase difference between the two signals can be. Then how to answer this question, students? It is given that the pattern on the CRO screen is ellipse. The major axis is in between quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. that is in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. But here, is it a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? It is not given, students. We know this. In quadrant 2, it is calculated as 180 minus sine inverse x interception by and x max. We have to use, in fourth quadrant, we have to use 180 plus sine inverse, or we have to use 360 minus sine inverse x intersection by x max or y intersection by y max. You have to, this is in second quadrant, this is in fourth quadrant, but it is not given that it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it is anti-clockwise, it is given, you have to take in fourth quadrant. For the same pattern, if clockwise is given, you have to take the second quadrant. But students, we know that in second quadrant, this is 90 degrees to 180 degrees. But in fourth quadrant, this is 270 degrees to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. In second quadrant, 90 to 180, but that angle is not there. In second quadrant, the ellipse is for 90 less than pi less than 180, that is the ellipse. The pattern is ellipse. For fourth quadrant, 270 less than pi less than 360 is the ellipse. But in between 90 to 180, no option is there. Then only choice is in between 270 to 360. In the given options, in between 270 to 360, which option is there? That is option 4 is the right answer. That point you have to concentrate, students. Clear? That is for this question, option 4 is the right answer. Let us see the next question. This question is asking TS SPDCL 2015, subject measurement, topic CRO. In CRO, during retrace time, not in trace time, it is given that retrace time, the electron beam travels dash from dash of the screen. It's very simple, students. We know that in a sweep signal generation, a sweep signal drives the unknown signal. Like this, sweep is rising and falling. This time is called trace time. During trace time, the pattern is moving left to right. This is called tracing period. And this time is called retrace time, students. This is called retrace time. This is during retrace time. This is during retrace. This is during retrace. The pattern is moving from right to left. But the question is asked during retrace. Pattern is moving from right to left. Pattern is moving from right to left. Always the pattern is driving horizontally. Then horizontally right to left. That is option 3 is the right answer. Clear? Concentrate. Next one. Very important announcement from Saimedha Koti Hyderabad, that is Space Gate, students. We are going to starting a new batch for AE, AW, JLM and sub-engineering aspirants. We have the excellent ECE, EEE, Civil, both online and offline platform, students. The batch going to start on 8th August 2024. Who are preparing for online coaching mainly for JLM and sub-engineers, you have to download Saimedha.in app. Who are preparing for AE and AW online, then you have to download SpaceGate app, students. For more details, you have to contact the whatever the numbers are there.